Welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I typically introduce you to fashion models and photographers. I demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits and hopefully set some dope art on your walls. So if that sounds interesting, please like and subscribe for more continual content. And if you're curious on how to get yourself a one-of-a-kind unique charcoal portrait, there's a link below in the description to help get you started. Gang, these make great Valentine's Day gifts, so don't miss out. Well, gang, I felt it important with this episode to pause and take note of some of the heroes in our workforce today. So follow me across the intro to see who we're drawing. Today I'm spotlighting Mimi, a nurse out of LA, who happens also to be a beauty and fashion blogger. I'll have those links below in the description. You often hear about a hero's good deeds. Now there's a real gravity on the moment the hero's call to action is just too much. It's too overwhelming. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, this image is worth a whole saga. This may be the most impactful image I've ever seen about the COVID-19 pandemic. You can just feel the weight on Mimi's shoulders as she's looking at the camera and zipping that plastic divider. Guys, please watch me draw this portrait and tell Mimi's story. Boom. Here's Mimi, folks. Guys, let me know what you think in the description below. Maybe you viewers watching have similar stories or know of other people whose stories need to be told this way. We all need pats on the back every once in a while. Mimi, thank you so much for capturing this image and being open to talk to me about your story. Thank you so much for what you do for humanity. Please like and subscribe for more continual content, and until next time, sketch you later.